Good afternoon. Actually, we tried to go to Georgia today, but it seems that the streets are packed with cars and shoppers, not shoplifters, but shoppers. We tried to get to an access point to Georgia, but it seems that the checkpoints, the security measures here are blocking everything. Now, me and Mr. Osama are going to run some errands in Georgia. Also, Maher is here. This is his face. Hey, what are you doing in Georgia? So we are in Al Fadl right now. It's a very local area adjacent to Georgia. So from Al Fadl, we are just going to take a shortcut through the spices market. Spices market is probably half kilometer from here, away from here. So you're gonna take a shortcut in the alleys, in the middle of the alley of Al Fadl, and then cut short to Georgia to go to the perfume market. Now, since it's Eid, we try to buy something that appeals to the general public. I'm gonna buy something from Haji Rifat. He's a very popular perfumes seller. And then we're gonna buy a few other things. I don't know, do you have any comments about what you plan to buy? But don't spoil the video.
I want to buy something for my kids because I want to make them happy tomorrow because Eid.
Yeah, okay.
And that's it. And we are fasting actually, and we are exhausted.
Okay. Stay in touch.